Alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now I will be demonstrating the options of share button as well as the settings that will be helpful for a presenter to conduct the online classes and to make online learning as seamless and real like regular classroom. So the first and foremost thing is that when you select the share button which is at the now when you select the share button which is there at the bottom, you will see these options. Now, for example, taking the first thing that is if you want to share a photo or from your gallery or from your Google Drive, what you have to select is the fourth option that is photo. When you select this, you see a series of options. That is, you want to select the photo from your files manager or from OneDrive or from gallery or from Google Drive or Google Photos. For example, I want to select the first option that is from files. After selecting from files, you can select any of the pictures. Okay, for example, I'm selecting this picture, and as you can see, this picture will get displayed. Okay, so you can, after posting the picture, yes, now you can see this picture. So if you want to highlight on something important, so you can use this annotate feature which is there at the left bottom. That is the pencil. You have to select this option. You will be seeing a series of things. That is, you can do it with a spotlight or pen or highlighter. You can change the color also. You can erase or else you can clear. So for example, I'm selecting the pen option. When you select the pen option, I want to highlight something on this picture. So you can highlight it in this manner, okay? Like this, you can highlight it. So this is the use of this annotate feature. Yes. And if you want to clear it, you can just select this clear button. Everything will get clear. And then you have to go back, then you have to select this annotate feature again, this blue color pencil. Now you are back, okay? Now, what happens is sometimes when you are explaining or annotating on the picture, you see that the students as well annotate on the screen, they scribble. So in order to disable that feature, what you have to do is you have to go down below to more. That is the three dots. You have to select this. Then you will be seeing these options. In this, select meeting settings. When you select meeting settings, you will see all these options. Over here, you have to disable the annotate feature, which is there in the content share. Okay, annotate feature, just disable that annotate feature and then close. Now, no one will be able to scribble on the picture or else on the PDF or Word, that is except the presenter. Going to the next thing is, now what you have to do is you want to upload a PDF or a Word document or PPT. First you have to stop share. Okay, select this. Yes, you will again go back to this screen. Now again select this share button and then you can select document, which is the fifth one in this options, document. When you select the document, you can select from your device storage, that is from your folder. You can select device storage and you can select the PDF which you want to show it to the students. For example, I am going to select this. Over here, you are having all these PDFs available. So you can open any of the PDFs and show them. For example, I'm selecting the third one. Yes, after selecting, you have to select the share button which is there at the top. Yes, now as you can see the PDF, now this PDF will be able to, this PDF will be seen by all the participants, that is by all the students. Over here also you can just annotate with the help of this annotate feature. If you want to do it with a spotlight, or you can do it with a spotlight, this red color beam will be there on the screen, and you can use a highlighter as well, like this if you want to highlight a sentence, and you can change the color as well. If I want to use the red color, I can use also red. Okay, and if you want to erase, you can just select the eraser and just erase it like this. Yes, also remember that when you select the annotate feature, you cannot go to the next page of the PDF until and unless this annotate feature is stopped. That is, again you have to select to this. Now you can go to the next screen like this. When the annotate feature is enabled, see, you cannot go to the next screen. You have to Stop this and then now you can go to the next screen as shown. This was regarding the PDF. Now you want to show the Word document or else the PPT. What you have to do is now you have to select the stop share again.